So why am I even bothering with this? It's $65 US, and well, it's a real bargain. And the question is it good enough? And I'm going to cut to the chase and just say it's very inexpensive, number one, but number two, it has too much white noise to use as is. So when I say white noise, I really just mean noise. You know, the concept of a signal to noise ratio is that you have noise, which is unwanted, and you have noise that is wanted. So what they call the wanted noise is a signal, and what they call the unwanted noise is noise. So this has too much white noise or unwanted noise to use as is. The question then is, can the audio be cleaned up in post? So what we're going to do here is we're going to just go straight into Audacity, and we're going to open up the file in question. We're going to start with a recording on the Zoom H1 at 37 gain. So 37 gain is the magical number on the Zoom H1, and this is per a video from Curtis Judd, and I have tested this quite a bit, and I do agree that 37 is like the optimal setting on the Zoom H1. So let's take a look at this recording. So what we have here is, as you can see, let me just zoom in here on the noise factor. You can tell there's just a lot of radio frequency noise. It's not interference, it's just the signal. So that's all coming from just being a wireless microphone. If that was a wired mic, you would just basically see a really thin line right here. So I need to get some headphones on here. So let's just play this back, and where's the spot? I think right here. So that's a lot of static. I know you can hear that. So before I start working on this, let me just tell you quickly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to select an area that I'm not speaking and create a noise reduction profile in Audacity. It's really easy. So let's get the, and then step 2 is I'm going to apply that to the whole clip. Go to the Effect menu and select Noise Reduction. Then it says you can see step 1 and step 2. So for step 1, you need to click Get Noise Profile. And now that doesn't change anything yet, but it has the information ready. So now what we do is we select the entire clip by clicking over in this area. So if you click off, now if you click here, you see the entire thing is selected. I go back to Effect, Noise Reduction, and click OK. That's going to apply it to the entire clip. So now let's go back to the place we were at and play. And you can hear there is still some noise, unwanted noise. So what do you do with unwanted noise? At this point, you say, well, the first level of noise reduction didn't work. So you can apply a second level of noise reduction. That's going to end up creating more distortion of the voices, things like that. So test number 1 was at a low gain setting of 37 on the Zoom. But now let's go try a higher setting so we don't have to, you know, we were going to boost that afterwards as well, but it was just so bad even before boosting it. What do we say? So now let's go back and let's open the other one at 63. So this is a different recording, of course, but you'll see the noise level is very obvious now. That's a normal record level. So 63 is about the normal record level I use with the Zoom H1 and just a wired lav. So this amount of noise from a wireless mic is, I don't know. To me, it's definitely not usable as is. So the question is, can we try to clean this one up as well. So let's go ahead and get another noise profile and then select the entire clip and apply noise reduction. So let's now play it from this point. And as you can hear, there's still a lot of static, and that's after noise reduction. I don't know. I just don't think it's usable. So, I mean, you can probably do a better job than I did for noise reduction. There's some really great programs out there that do it selectively and all kinds of things. But as is, with the default settings in Audacity, I just don't think this is good enough. And so that's my review on this wireless mic. I love it in a lot of other ways. There's a small form factor. I can't really comment on the quality of the lav mic because after running noise reduction, you really can't tell. So I'm just going to have to pass on this one. So that's it. Thank you again for listening. And I might actually run more tests on this and just not completely give up on it.